Above the map, type Crater Lake, Oregon in the search box and click Go. Above the map, make sure the Use Map box is checked and fill the Box Point button. Click and drag to draw a rectangle that encompasses the area of Crater Lake that we have been working with. It doesn't need to be exact. On the left, on the Datasets tab, check the box for the National Land Cover Database, NLCD product. Keep the NLCD 2011 subcategory checked. Keep the default 3x3 degree extent option and click the Find Products button. Click the Add to Cart button for the NLCD 2011 land cover.